Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Mpumelelo posted these super cute pictures with his son Singabako, and Shame. The baby looks so happy, you guys. I found this really cute, you guys, but obviously the comment section, yo guys, I saw Uterelo was in the comment section as well. Even Umusam Selegu himself is in the comment section, because you know what? I don't know whether I want to say I love to see family supporting family, but sometimes, guys, these things can get too much. I just feel like abanye abantu banomona, guys. If I was ngoma into enhle, guys, whether you like a person or not, umona lokho. Like it's jealousy. Like whether you like a person or not, whether you agree with the decisions they make or not, whether they whatever lifestyle they choose, like into enhle, guys, melwingome. Like if you can't, there's you got jealousy. So the comment section, I'm seeing other people are like, mubi lo mntwana yo, imbi lengane ifana noma wayo, yeah. I'm like, hey bo, yo guys, I'm just like, people are cruel out there for people to go and kind of like bully a child like out of the blue. Someone said on the comment section, this baby doesn't look like any one of them Selegus, not even the father. I uterelo vele wayingena ke. She's like, Konje, the baby doesn't have a mother. Question mark. Life science is very important, Batung. Cause if you did life science, you'll understand that, guys, it's even possible for a child not to look like the mother or father and look like the uncle of either of the parents. That's life science, guys. Like, yo, guys, I'm just like, nah, man. Then obviously there's the others. Angazi, get the ones who just want to make everything about Uvuyogazi. I low-key feel, guys, that there's some people who have not healed from the breakup Yaga Vuyogazi and Mpumelelo. I feel like there's some people who have not healed from it. And at this point, guys, some of us or some of you need to get over it, because Uvuyogazi has moved on with her life, guys. She is married with a husband. That's what the street says. I don't know if that's true. She's moved on. Mpumelelo is still, he's also kind of moved on because he's no longer with her. So to now always like bring that thing all like Eapora, guys. Eapora. Imagine if you moved on from an ex-ubaba wengane zakho and you went to go and marry someone else, and every time umuntu makakubona estradeni they bringing up your ex. Like it gets tiring, and I'm just like, I get it. At some point I just feel like Mpumelelo, he needs to block some people because they have no boundaries whatsoever. At least to Terelo, she blocks some people because her comment section, sometimes you can see people even create false profiles just to say some stuff to Uterelo, but she blocks them. Mpumelelo, he needs to do that as well. Other people are now comparing children ukuthi inzalo kaVuyokazi is better kuneya Terelo. Vuyokazi's children are better than Terelo's children. Basically saying ukuthi even if you post ingane kaTerelo okusalayo, you still have two other children with uVuyokazi. I'm just like, guys, the thing is, I don't like to seem as if ngiyamkhulumela Mpumelelo, because I don't stand for Mpumelelo whatsoever. But guys, ngesinye isikhathi, like, we need to learn to see things holistically and tell the truth. Did not Mpumelelo post a post, you guys, and said Uvuyokazi went with the children and he was speaking about something about access, which he does not have access to the children anymore? I even did a post about that. What should he do, you guys, if he doesn't have access to his children? Melons and Jan, what must he do? Because Uvuyokazi is a married woman now. I even heard he lobola her husband lobola the children. There's no turning back of going back here. Mpumelelo should have done this, did this, and all of that. Oksalayo, he's the father of his children, and I don't believe in preventing access to to a child's father unless like it's extremely like bad like type of vibes and environment. But in this case, this man, Mpumelelo, guys, loves his kids. We can't lie. Ukuthi abantu balamsile, guys, they love their kids. So now what should Mpumelelo do? Though I do kind of feel that ever since Uvirazi has kind of left, I do feel like his presence in Singabakwa's life is a lot like let me rather say we see a lot of it online. So I don't know if that kind of opened up his eyes to appreciate the one child that he now has access to appreciate, the fact that Utirelo, Pela, he did not lobola ingane kaTirelo, but he still has full access. So appreciate that, angazi you guys. But I also want to say, if you are a guy and you are listening to this, when a woman gives you full access to your child, and you have not done the things that you must be that need to be done, don't take advantage of that. He's like he's stupid to sako. Like, no, appreciate those things, because sometimes, guys, some women, we are looking like fools in front of our families because we just want our children to have a present father in their lives. Not to which we don't want you to do the right things. So I really hope, Mpumelelo, that this is an eye opener, that not all women are gonna do that and give you that. Some other women, guys, like, they're not gonna give you access to your children like that. And sometimes I cannot even judge them because the way some men behave and act out there. Anyway, guys, that comment section, it really made me a bit sad-ish because I'm just like, why any fucking gun? What's worse ukuthi niqhathanise ingane? Like, you guys, or some of you guys, or some of the public are gonna make these children fight in the future, because when children grow up, guys, things that are in the internet are always going to be there. And these children are siblings at the end of the day. Imagine growing up and feeling ukuthi ubaba wakho wakhetha lo or wakhetha le ingane. Because some of us, yes, we were not on TV, but that situation of uma wakho athatha ingane eyi-one ayohlala naye eGoli, then leaves the others. Already that feels like abandonment, and you can see the issues between siblings by that type of situation. So then there's other people who are coming to feel worse abanye bethu. Guys, our baby daddies are not even present in our children's lives, but we feel the need ukuthi, like, we can comment such things. Guys, askuzaneni, shame. It's not right. Anyway, guys, tell me, because I've ranted already, tell me what you guys think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.